Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine at your home and healthy. So, without wasting your time, let's begin our topic subject verb conquered, subject verb agreement. So, I have taught you rule 5th, and today is the rule 6th. Okay, so just look at the rule 6th. Rule 6th is here is a list of some pair words. Pair words. So first of all, see about pair words that not with pair words always singular verbs are used. As you can see that here are some pair words. Okay. Basically these pair words are connected with and. Okay. So with pair words always singular verbs are used. First of all, look at these pair words. Bread and butter, rice and curry, slow and steady, horse and carriage, bag and baggage, hammer and sickle, crown and glory, truth and honesty, long and short, eggs and bacon, ham and eggs, screaming and shouting, coming and going, sum and substances, age and experience, rise and fall, etc. These are some pair words. Okay, so with pair words, singular verbs are used. According to these examples, we just try to understand. The very first sentence is that bread and butter. Here is given verb is or are. My favorite breakfast. You have to just choose which one of these two helping verbs will be taken. You should choose one of these two. Okay, so just choose one verb. So here is the subject bread and butter. As you can see that bread and butter is a pair word. So with pair word we use singular verb. So is, here is given is, it is a singular verb. Okay, and are is plural. So as you can see that singular verb will be taken, so it means is will be right answer. So remove are and here will be is. So bread and butter is my favorite breakfast. I hope you are getting me. Second sentence is slow and steady always win or wins the race. Here you have two verbs, win and wins. Look at the subject. Subject is slow and steady. Slow and steady, as you can see that this is a pair word. And if there is given a pair word in a sentence, then a verb will be singular. So win is used as a plural subject. Okay. Okay. Win is always used with a plural subject. But this is singular subject. It means a singular verb will be taken. So here is wins. Wins is a singular verb. So wins will be the right answer. So remove win. Here will be the wins. Third sentence. Rice and curry is or are a favorite dish. As you can see, here is the subject rice and curry. Rice and curry is a pair word. And with a pair word, we always take singular verb. Here is given is and are. Two verbs. So, this is a singular subject. Then with singular subject, we will take singular verb. So, is as used singular verb. So, here will be the correct answer is. Okay, I hope that you all are getting very well, very easily this rule number 6. Okay, let's move on rule number 7. Okay dear, rule number 7. So look at the rule number 7. Rule number 7 is if all three persons of the pronouns. Okay, there are three persons of a pronoun are connected with and. Okay, if there are given three persons of the pronouns and these three persons are connected with and, then what to do? And used as the subject of a sentence. Okay, and the sentence has a good sense if three persons of a pronoun are given in a sentence. Okay, and these and the sentence has a good sense, not bad sense. I am talking about good sense. If there is given a good sense in the sentence, then the sequence of the three persons will be 2, 3 and 1. And you can also say 231. 2, 3, 1 means, and the verb will be plural. The sequence will be 2, 3, 1 and the verb will be plural. When the sentence has a good sense. When the sentence has a good sense. Okay, so first of all, find out about 2, 3, 1. What is this? This is 2 means second person. And second person is you. 3 means third person. Third person are he, she, it, they, and any name. Okay, the name may be a person, maybe an animal, maybe a thing. Okay, so third person. And 1 means first person, and first person is I and we are the first person. Okay, so 2, 3, 1. The sequence will be 2, 3, 1. Okay, when it is a good sense in the sentence. Okay, so look at the examples. The very first example is that you, he and I are good friends. Okay, so here is given you. You is a second person. And look better, if there are given three persons, then with this, before second person you will add comma. Okay, so you second person, he third person, and I is first person. So the sequence is 2, 3, 1. Okay, so the sequence is 2, 3, 1. It means verb will be plural. So here is given verb are. Are is used as plural verb. Okay, so plural verb. This is also correct. Okay, so 2, 3, 1 sequence works when it is a good sense in the sentence. So look at the sentence. If there is good sense, then this sentence is correct. If there is given a bad sense, it means the sentence is incorrect. Okay, so here is given you, he and I are good friends. Good friends means this sentence is in a good sense. In a good sense. Good friends, it is called a good sense, not a bad sense. So this sentence is correct. Okay, look at the second sentence. You, comma, she and we have done a good job. Okay, so look at here. You is second person, she is third person, we is first person. The sequence is 2, 3, 1. The sequence is 2, 3, 1. It means verb will be plural. Verb is given have. Have is a plural verb. It means this is correct, this is correct. Okay, subject is correct and verb is correct. So when this subject is correct, 2, 3, 1 always follows when there is given good sense in the sentence. So look at the sentence. If there is given good sense, then it is correct. So look at here. You, she and we have done a good job. If someone is doing a good job, it means he is doing a good work. He is doing a good work. It means this is in a good sense. So this is correct. Okay. So this is correct. So rule 7 always tells us that whenever we find three persons in a sentence, okay, and if there is given a good sense in the sentence, then the sequence of these three persons will be 2, 3, 1. Okay. So if now you have to just find out if there are given two persons, not three persons. If there are given two persons, then how to do? Next, see this. This is the second rule of rule 7th. And how? What is the second rule? If two persons of the pronouns in rule 7 and the part 1, what was there? There was that if three persons, okay, and now I am talking about two persons. If two persons of the pronouns are connected with and used as the subject of a sentence, and the sentence has a good sense, then the sequence of the pronouns will be 2, 3, 2, 1 and 3, 1. Okay. If there are given three persons, then in a good sense the sequence was 2, 3, 1. Okay. In part first of rule 7, there was three persons. Okay, there were three persons. Okay, three persons were there, and the sequence was 2, 3, 1. Okay, when there is given a good sense in the sentence. Okay, and if there is given two persons, then 2, 3. Okay, 1 and 2, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 3. So 2, 3. So 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1. So 3, 1. This will be the sequence of two persons when there is given a good sense in the sentence. Okay, I am repeating again and again this thing. Okay, in a good sense, only in a good sense. So very first example is that you and I. You is the second person and I is the first person. So the sequence is 2, 1. So 2, 1. The sequence is 2, 1. And this subject is plural. So the verb will be plural. So verb is here given verb. Verb is a plural verb. Okay. So plural verb. So second or 1. Second and 1 means 2 or 1. The sequence is of 2, 1. It means the sentence has a good sense. Then it is correct. If the sentence has not a good sense, then it is incorrect. So find out. You and I were playing cricket. They were playing cricket. It means it is a good sense. Okay. So this is correct. They are doing nothing wrong. Okay. So the second sentence is he and I. He is third person and I is first person. So the sequence is 3 and 1. So 3 and 1. It means 3 and 1. The sequence is of 3, 1. It means this sentence has a good sense. So look here. He and I are. R is correct because this is plural. So R is plural. So it is correct. Watching TV now. So watching TV is a good sense, not a bad sense. So it is correct. Okay. So the sequence is also correct. Third, you and Ram. You is second person and Ram is the name of a person. So if the name of a person is given, then it means third person. So this is third person. So the sequence is of 2 and third. So 2 and third. It means if the sequence is of 2 and third, then the sentence has a good sense. So you and Ram have, it is very correct, helped the poor. To help the poor, it means this is a good sense. Okay, so this is a good sense, it means it is also correct. So rule 7 is completed and I hope that you all got it. Okay, so that's it for today. Next day we'll see rule 8. Okay, so thank you so much.